Oh, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to whoever you're watching from. So, today we'll be creating a logo. Okay, we'll be creating the Grok logo. So, without wasting most of our time, let's just dive into what we have for today. So, I'll just open my Photoshop, the first thing I want to do, of course. So, you create a new file, you select your dimension. I'll be working with inches and I'm working 20 by 20 inches. I'm going to click create. Good. Now, once that is created, what I want to do here is add the background. So I'll come here, I'll just click solid colors, I'll add the solid background of solid color. Okay, and I'll drag to white. You just click and drag to white and click OK. Now the first thing I want to do is I'll go into my shape tool and I'll just click on my ellipse to good. I'll come to the center or wherever I feel is the center. Just click on shift, and while holding down shift, you just click and drag out. Good. So that you have a perfect circle. Alright. Now the next thing I want to do, I'll make a duplicate of this. Just press Ctrl J to make a duplicate of it. The duplicate you change to white, you click on the fill and then you change the color to white. If you don't have white here, you come to your color here, your color palette here, and then you just drag to white, okay? So this one in front here, I'll just reduce the size. Okay, I think this is good. Now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to go into my shape tool again, rectangle tool this time, and I'm just going to drag right across here. Good. Change the field also to white. Alright, so I'll just take just rotate this. Okay, rotate it. Let's take it out of here, and then I'll make a duplicate of this. Just click Alt, click and drag to make a duplicate. Good. So the next thing I want to do is I'm going to come here to my shape tool again. I'm going to come to rectangle tool. Just drag right across. Good. This should be black. Alright, that's good. Enter. So you just rotate this. Okay. And then let's place this here. Rotate this and place this here. Alright, that's good. So I can make a duplicate of this. Alt, click and drag. The duplicate, I'll bring it here. I'm just going to reduce the size. Alright, I'm just going to reduce the size. Okay, place this here. Rotate it. I want it to balance at this point here. Click enter. Good. Create a duplicate of this also. Alt, click and drag. But this time I'm going to rotate this one to this other side. Alright, that's good. Then you take this, you place this here. Let's reduce the size of this. I'll take this, I'll place this here. I'll click enter. So let's expand this and let's see. Okay. Alright. Sorry. Let me delete that and let me delete this. The reason being that the triangle on this side is supposed to be bigger. Alright. Click on the triangle tool and then just drag. It's just supposed to be, when I say big, I mean meant wire or something like that. Good. So let's rotate this, and then they just take this, drag and place around here. Alright, so you drag this and place this around here. That should be okay. Alright, let's make a duplicate of this. Click Alt, you click on this and then you drag out. Alt, click and drag. And let's rotate this to the other side. Good. So drag this, place this here. Just rotate it. So let's bring this forward. It's behind those white layers we created. So let's bring it forward. That's not what we want. Alright. Click enter. Alright, so we're almost done. So I'm just going to adjust here. Alright. Enter. Good. Now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to take my brush tool, select hard brush. Alright, 100%. You can use like 30 should be enough. The size of 30 should be enough. Create a layer. Right. So you just come here to this corner. And then I can just, it's not supposed to be a perfect. You can just come to this corner and just drag. Do the same thing here. You come here, you just drag across. Okay. Now this is one way to do it, and probably the fastest way to do it. And you see it's good. So now the next thing we want to do is, we're not done yet. Next I want to do is, I'll go back to my rectangle tool, just click and drag. The Grok logo has a curved corner. The corner is actually curved right here. This corner here is actually curved. It's not that straight. Click enter, and then I'll click Alt to create a duplicate. Bring it here also. So let's rotate this. Alright. Click enter. Good. So I'm going to move this now behind this. Alright. Good. Alright. So the last thing I want to do now, I'm just going to select, click and drag right across all of this. Right click on it and convert to smart objects. Okay, so that everything is meshed together. This is what I'm doing. Now let me take out this background. So are you seeing there's layers of white? They want to remove the layers of white. So I'll come to my magic wand tool here. Selection tool, you select the magic wand and then you select the black. And just press Ctrl J. Ctrl J creates a new layer of the selected part. So if I remove this now, it's just the group logo that's there. So let's just take this, raise this up, and let's just add. Alright. So I'm just going to use my text, so I can just add the word Grok. G-R-O-K. Ctrl A, select, and then change it to black. And click OK. So let's just select any font. You can use any font at all of your choice. Let me use terminal text, and then let's go with this. So you can make use of any font of your choice. I don't want to waste time on this, so I'm making. I don't want to waste time on this, so I'm just making use of that font. Alright. Let's take this off, and then let's take this. Okay, I think that's too bold. The font, I think it's too bold. Let's reduce it to. Oh, I think this is okay. So with this, we've come to the end of our design. So today, so I can just make a duplicate of this. Alt click, drag one to this corner. Alt click, drag also to this corner here. Grok. Good. So with this, we've come to the end of our design for today. I hope you learned something new. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening to wherever you're watching from. Please do also like, share, and subscribe, okay, so that you get notified for posting a video. Alright, thank you very much for staying to the end. Have a wonderful day.